need to affect the change, but I'm afraid of what that might bring.